Hi guys, welcome to Mary Bear's Corner, and today we are doing a modern day model look. And first, you will start with foundation. I'm getting the Get Luminous foundation. Sorry, my computer right now. That's why it doesn't look that good, but we can fight through that. My phone didn't have enough storage. The GoPros didn't either, so. But yeah, so. There's a lot of. Ooh, I look better already. Now we are going to go on to contour with my powder contouring kit that is very strong. It leaves a super dark brown. It's this color. It's super brown. I'm not kidding. Here's the brush I'm using. It's the unicorn brushes. Yeah. I know I'm a bear, but I love unicorns. What girl, or I think most boys like them too. But what girl does not like unicorns? Probably my sister, but Anna. She said, I like that. And the brand of this product is Max Makeup Cherry Moya. Just go in your head and go. Okay, that's what it says. But now that I'm done with using that darker color, I'm going to use my highlighter. I've used this a lot. I love looking at myself. Okay, let's get the best. But now let's go for what lipstick? We can go for the super dark one. It got smashed. I have a sister. Or we could go for that one. Or we could go for this liquid matte. Vivid. Matte Vivid. Or we can go for the light natural look. Or we can go for the Vivid Matte, just more. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I'm more southern, so if I'm saying that wrong, please correct me. I don't mind if you do. Or I could use this. I'm going to say it wrong. No, L'Oreal Paris stuff. It's kind of like, it just stains your lips. Or we can use the Love Bug 245. I've had this forever. I thought I had more, but I think I did. Let's look in our other makeup drawer. Yeah, that's all I have. Okay. So we have them to choose from. I think because modern day now, we use darker lipstick because we're in that time right now where we use darker lipsticks. So I'm just going to use the darker lipstick. Comment down below what your favorite color is. That did not apply well. When does the makeup? They should put the expiring date on the bottom. This does not have an expiring date. Who knows? I might be putting expired lipstick on my face. now. Look what all that would have been on my teeth. We don't want that. So now that we've done lipstick, oh my god, I love this so much already. Did I put highlighter on the other side of my face? Did I? I did, okay. At least I think I did. Okay, but now let's get to the eyebrows and eyeshadow, which makes this whole look modern. Because nowadays, we're all about those eyebrows on fleek. Where'd my makeup thing go? I could have used my mermaid highlighter. My e.l.f. one. I love using this one. Oh, you can see my computer. See, this is how bad it is. You can see the uploading to YouTube thing. It won't focus. And this is dusty. No, powdery. But for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this. I mean this. This is called Urban Decay. And look how pretty that palette is. That is just darn beautiful. Okay, like, oh my god. This is awesome. Okay, so that's glittery. Yeah, why most of my products are glittery? One reason. Funny story. So my mom, I was asking her if I could have more glitter because we used it all on this like stone thing that we were making. And I'm going to use Demo and Starfire and this one, and this one. And well, what happened was I was putting it in my bag so that I could bring it upstairs to move in here with my sister. And well, what happened was the glitter somehow got opened, #Anna, and it spilled all over my bag. But it spilled all over my bag, and it had a whole ton load of stuff, but you can see the glitter on this one. That's why it got chopped off. I put it in my new one, my one that I mixed all my lipsticks together and made. This is the glitter that I didn't use, but it looks disgusting, but it looks so pretty. It's sparkly. I love sparkles. But okay, let's get back into that. So first I'm using the darker one for the inside of my eye, more of the insider. Then I'm going in with my eyeliner unicorn brush. Okay, well, I'm going in with that. With Starfire. You guys should so get this palette. It's awesome. I'm going in with Starfire and going across the crease of my eye. Like that. See, it looks good already. Well, while I'm waiting, I'm going to do the other eye. Oh, and just so you know a little bit more about me. My real name is Mary. There's literally so much glitter. My favorite color is bright green. Like, kind of like my eyes a little bit. And I'm a pretty boring person, but, well, sometimes I can be Then you're going to get the lightest color. Yay! Which I am using for my lightest color is Angel Fire. And you're going to put it on the other side and blend it with that. But also put it above that crease. I hate closing my eye and relaxing it. It is just so hard. And I hate it. And, well, but you can probably hear my family downstairs. They're just, I think Smushy's my dog, and Bear is my other dog. One's a girl, one's a boy. Smushy's the girl. Bear's the boy. Smushy's my dog. Smushy's adorable. I have a picture. Let me get her out. But, yeah, let me get my eyebrows done, too. I don't have an eyebrow kit. Oh, wait, yes, I do. I do. I really do. Oh, are you here, Smushy? Smushy, you want to say hi to the camera? Come say hi to the camera. This is Smushy. Say hi. Look at that. No. That's Smushy. I'm doing my makeup, Smushy cat. You want to stand in here? You can stand in here. You want to stay in here? Oh, what, Anna? And here comes Anna. My legs are tied. And my bum hurts. Anna, this is going on YouTube. Okay, that's okay. Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. I'm slipping out of my clothes. No, go in a different room. No, I'm getting my clothes. Okay, well. Oh, my Joe's over here. Good. Okay, don't mind her. This eyebrow looks way lighter than that eyebrow. Wait, is it just the lighting? I think it's just the lighting. It's just a... Okay, well, whenever I get closer... See, we all make mistakes. It's fine. It's fine. Anna, do you want to go grab me a dark wig? No. No? Please? No. To finish off the look. We can do it. I can't leave my video. Smushy! I have tight legs. And it'll be hard. Smushy! This was a picture of Smushy. I took that with my Polaroid. Smushy! Come here, baby. Well, Anna's gonna go grab a wig. No, I'm not. Okay, well, let's finish this look off with I would say contacts, but I don't have any. So we have to finish the look off with what's this? Dang it, I forgot something. Do you guys want the look like this? I forgot something.